Hello my beautiful friends and welcome. My name is Christina Marie and today's video is on the FabFitFun Spring Editor's Mystery Bundle. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, and giveaways. Speaking of giveaways, I am going to announce in this video today the May giveaway. I do monthly giveaways as well as milestone giveaways. And I told you guys when I unboxed the April BoxyCharm that I was going to put the Pure palette, their festival palette, in the May giveaways. That's what we're doing here. I haven't swatched it or anything else like that. Haven't even taken the plastic off. It kind of looks like that. How gorgeous is that? So this will be the May giveaway. And I'll let you know what you have to do to enter it in just a little bit. So if you're new to FabFitFun, it is a quarterly subscription box, kind of beauty and lifestyle box. It does ship out every quarter, so every season, and it's $49.99. And there's well over $200 worth of product in each of the boxes. In between those seasonal ones, they have what they call their editor sale, where you can purchase an additional box. It's kind of something different than the seasonal one, and it's one that the editors kind of put together all their favorite items. And you can also purchase mystery bundles, and mystery bundles are $29, and they have over 3 full-size products in them. So today's products are from the Spring Editor Sale Mystery Bundle, and a lot of the mystery bundles are different. You know, some people get this, some people get that. You have no idea. That's what makes it so exciting. Sorry if I sound a little stuffy. I'm coming off of a cold. So the first product that I am pulling out of here, ooh, what is this? So it looks like this, and it's got the white stripe and a bunch of tassels here at this end, and then this is just half of it. There's a, it's kind of got the same thing going on at both ends. And what this is, it's a Trina Turkish towel. Retails for $78. A little bit about what this one says about it is travel lighter with our versatile 100% cotton geo-pattern Turkish towel. These absorbent, quick-drying towels can also be used as a beach wrap, decorative throw, or a picnic blanket. And these are so pretty. I love this. So I do have down below a code for you guys if you guys want to check out FabFitFun and get $15 off your first box. So make sure to check out that link. Here we have from NOTO Botanics. It's their AGENDER oil, hair and body, multi-use, all-natural oil. It's 2 ounces and it retails for $39.50. And it's the Anywhere hair and body oil. You choose to grow it wherever you choose to grow your hair. This oil is here to soften and protect, great for the body too. The perfect harmony between strong and soft, moisture-rich organic hemp seed oil is mixed with smoky strong vetiver and sweet lavender to create the perfect harmony and nutrient-dense treatment. You pump an oil into your palms, rub it onto your legs, underarms, face, head, anywhere, hair, and body. So this will be fun to try out. I actually have this product. I got it in a past box. It is the DIPSTICKS Charades. And what you do, it's from Table Talks, retails for $15.49. And it has all these cards in here. And what you do is, this side just says Charades. And then this side here, like it says The Nutty Professor or America's Next Top Model, Oliver Twist, Flintstones, Grease, Zootopia, etc. So you pull out a card, and that's the card that you have to try and act out. We did use this for New Year's Eve and had a lot of fun with it. So I am going to save this and take it up to our cabin. So that way I've got one here at the house and one up there. I really do like these. Ooh, my son is gonna love this. It is the perfect body muscle therapy targeted relief to ease stiffness and muscle tension to support the active lifestyle. Here's this. My son is an athlete. And this retails for $23.29. It's an upgraded formulation of to transcend muscle therapy for improved recovery post-workout, tension-busting muscle relieval in a portable roller ball. Use the clever roller bar action to massage deeply into muscles or gently rub into your temples to ease away headaches. Ooh, I might even try that one. This powerful, effective super blend of 100% natural essential oils combines relaxing marjoram and stimulating black pepper and pain-relieving clove. So I think this one's going to get a lot of use in my family. So if I add all the products together, it comes to $156. Not bad for your $29 that you spent for your mystery bundle. I think I'm gonna love the towel. This, the Turkish towels is so pretty. There's gonna be a lot of use for this in the family. I've done the charades before, and I'm anxious to try the hair and body oil. Let me know down below, what were your favorites? I don't think there was a miss in this box, so I'm really, really happy about that. Now let me tell you about that giveaway. So remember, it is for the Pure Festival palette. Here are the colors again, kind of on the back. Kind of shows them here on this side. You do have a couple of pressed glitters in there. And so what I want you to do, it's May. Let me know your favorite springtime activity down in the comments below. All you have to do is leave a comment, let me know your favorite springtime activity. Hit the like button, and then of course you must be a subscriber to this video, to this channel. The giveaway will close May 31st at midnight Mountain Time. So good luck to all of you. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button. You have to get entered in this, and subscribe. And you guys, I will see you soon. I hope that you have a beautiful day. Bye.